Hey everyone, Crafts with Crashly here. I have a Diamond Art Club unboxing for you. This one was actually part of their Memorial Day release. I'm just late getting my unboxing done because I actually didn't even know it was delivered until I saw a box in the corner of the house. So my kids must have brought it in. Anyway, we're going to open this beauty up. This is called For Honor and Country by Auclair Studios. It is 86.7 by 65 centimeters. This is a big one. It is a square drill. Let's see what else we got here. We have our side info. Here we go. Alright, so this does have 47 colors, including 2 ABs and 3 fairy dusts. Total diamonds is 91,089. Yeah. Alright, let's go ahead and get into this. I really love this painting because, you know, my dad passed away, I think, yeah, it was last year, you know, and he was in the army and everything, and, you know, at his funeral we got to get an American flag. It was presented to me, and it was like this big thing where I got to get a frame for it and everything, so I really love the paintings about the services and stuff. You know, we're always very thankful. So, we're going to get into this. We have our regular box here. We have our symbols, our toolkit, and the canvas, of course. Set this over here. We have our standard toolkit, you know, the twist and pick pen, the tray, you have your multi-placers, your baggies, regular toolkit that we are used to seeing by now. Let's zoom in a little bit. We're going to take a quick look at this sticker sheet here. All right. And here is our treasure quest card. This has the title of the painting, the artist, Auclair Studios, the size. And on the back here is where you could scratch it off. You could redeem these points for things like the gift cards, even a custom diamond painting eventually. This one is a bronze. So there's different rarities, of course. This one is the lower one at the bronze. It has their website and stuff on it. If you do want more information on the treasure quest cards, there's a link in the description of this video that will take you to more details about that. Alright, inside we have our quick tips and tricks, how-tos and such. And here is a better picture of it. Isn't that pretty? Look at those beautiful sunset colors and how the crosses fade off, and beautiful flowers. This is really beautiful. Alright, take a look here at the symbols. So if this is your first time seeing a Diamond Art Club kit, you will see here you have your different symbols for the different colors of drills, and these are individual stickers, as you can see here. So if you use like a container system to kit up your paintings, you can use these on each individual container. When you kit up, they're actually like decent stickers, they don't just come right off. And then you have all of your DMCs here. And then you have the special drills at the end. You see your ABs. There's 2 ABs here listed. And then the fairy dust are the ones with a Z in front of it. So there's 3 fairy dusts there right at the end. Here is another thumbnail picture. This is also a sticker, as you can see. So you can put that on top of your drill storage. You even have another sticker. I believe that's a sticker. Could have sworn. Yeah, it's a sticker. See? Alright. Where it has start and end date. So if you're one that likes to keep a logbook and such, you can keep track of when you started the canvas, when you ended it, how long it took you. I think a lot of people like to do it, I don't know, it makes me think of like a scrapbook, like a keepsake, to look back at all the paintings you've done. Alright, we are going to go ahead and get into the canvas here. Let's see, I hope you all are having a fabulous day. Tell me in the comments how many of you actually picked this canvas up. Who has started it? I wonder. Maybe if I can get this open. I'm not very gentle with my plastic parts of these canvases. There we go. Alright. Let's open this sucker up. Looks like it goes this way. Let's zoom back out here. Alright, had to add another light to the building here. Oh my gosh, look how pretty this is. You have your soldier there. Oh, this is beautiful. This has a lot of really pretty reds and such. Let me just roll this the opposite way here so I can get it to lay down. There we go. This is very, very pretty. All right, so on the Diamond Art Club kits, we have our key over here to the left and over here at the bottom to the right. You have your title of the canvas here in the bottom left. And yeah, this is like a nice, decent, like color blocking type of canvas here. Like you do have some color shifts, you know, throughout, but I definitely would not call it confetti. Those will come together easily. All right, I'm gonna quickly just show you the drills here. I don't think we'll go through each individual one. Oh, also, last time I checked right before filming this particular canvas was out of stock, but you can sign up for email alerts when it does come back in stock. So check that out. All right, let's see if we can just go through here. All right, we have 2 bags of 351s, 3373. I imagine we're just going to see lots of reds, but I'm curious what the special drills look like. 3371, we have 2 bags of 498. And if I'm going too fast, you can slow the speed of the video down. We have 938 here. Looks like 3 bags of 779. 3827. Okay, here's some reds. 1, 2, 3 big old bags of 3801. And we have some browns. So 1, 2, 3. There's 4 bags of 6034. And then we have 3 big bags of 817. Have another strand here. Oh, there's another 817. Then we have 2 big bags of 451. Ooh, look at these. Okay. So this is Fairy Dust Z666. So the Fairy Dust is like a glitter dusted drill. It has a glitter effect on the top. So it adds a really nice glistening effect. So we will see where those special drills go in just a second. We have 3 bags of 721, 3856, 3 bags of 838, 402, 3340, 2 bags of 722. We have 898. Ooh, this is a really pretty AB. This is AB 3861. Look at that. That's really, really pretty. Then we have 3799. And then let's see what we got here. Here's another dark brown Fairy Dust. 3778. Yeah, these look like our, kind of like our fill-in colors. There's 2 bags of 3722. More 3799. Let's see. Yep, this is like going to be shading colors where there's just a few of the color. I was trying to see if there was any special drills. Here we go. Here's another Fairy Dust Z452. Beautiful light brown color. 947. There we go. Here's a red AB. AB606. We have 3740. All right, let me try to nail down quickly where these ABs and Fairy Dusts go. All right, so the dark brown Fairy Dust that we saw, I see that mainly, you know, in the back of these little stripes right here to add some nice highlight. Now the 2 red specials, we have the dark red Fairy Dust, which is this like a temperature symbol, and the capital H is the AB. Those are really sprinkled throughout the flowers on both sides and on the bottom. And there's a big chunk of flowers on the left side. And then we have our check mark AB and then our dash Fairy Dust. Those are also throughout his suit. So you see the check marks here. And then where did I see those dashes? Yeah, throughout his top of the helmet too. So they really are very sprinkled throughout. This really is a beautiful canvas that would work up quite nicely. So if you have somebody in your life that was in the military, definitely sign up for the notifications for this canvas if you haven't already. Unless you grabbed it, let me know. And let me know if you started on it. I'm curious. So that is all I have for you for this unboxing. Thanks so much for watching. Hit the thumbs up on your way out, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, everyone. Bye-bye.